Hello everyone. So today my topic of lecture 8 is electronic voting. I will be covering this topic under 4 heads. First, what is electronic voting? Second, what are the issues that we choose electronic voting over ballot box? Third, what are the glitches associated with it? And fourth, what is the way forward? So as we all know, electronic voting is referred to a voting in which electronic machine is used instead of paper ballot. This was first introduced in the December of 1977 and it was first inducted in the election of India in 1988 when government issued a policy that all the paper ballot will be changed with the electronic voting machines. So there are few advantages of electronic voting machine over the paper ballot. First of all, that it does not include invalid votes, because paper ballots at that time were mostly attached with invalid votes, and there were several controversies in which ballots were captured by political parties for their own agendas. And as the cost of paper was increasing day by day, so it was more convenient to switch to other kind of voting system. Secondly, it was considered as a more reliable source of voting, because people were not literate enough at that time to put the stamp on the correct column. So government decided to change the present electronic voting system and use the electronic voting machine instead. Now in the recent years there are several controversies attached to with these voting system, and the most common issue that people are considering that these voting machines are having internal glitches in themselves, such as at the time of actual voting they stop working, and another issue that political parties are getting their vote transferred from the other political parties so that they get an increased number of voting in their account. Third issues with this machine is that lack of acceptance in the rural area related to this voting machine. When the crowd is not literate enough, so they are not being able to operate with this machine and familiarize themselves with this easily. And so now we come to what is the way forward tackling this issue. So first of all, there should be a measure that before the actual poll starts, a mock run should be there, so that the credibility of the voting machine is assured by the election commission. Secondly, a random check should be done by the election commission, which can include 5% of the total machines present in India, and by that we can make sure that all the machines are working properly and there will be no glitches in the actual poll. And lastly, by few measures like this, election commission can restore the faith which they have lost in the recent years because of these controversies. And so this is the way forward we can tackle this issue.